In this video, we are going to see that if you want to send and receive emails in Outlook and you're getting some kind of receiving and sending error, here's how you can easily fix that. And that is a very common issue. What you can do is just go to the start menu and right here services and just open this up. And what you can do here is just search for Google Update Service. It's all alphabetically arranged, so you should have no problem. You can just type G on your keyboard by selecting any one of them. It will directly take you to this area. Here's Google Updater Service. Just double click on each one of them and startup type, make sure it is set to automatic. If it is stopped, you can just click on start. So it says here the Google Updater services on the local computer started and then stop. Some services stop automatically. They're in use by other services or programs. So basically what I'm trying to do is I am working it on the virtual machine. You can try it on your main system and it should be started. After that, you can just click on apply and OK. And if you have some updater services more than once, you can do the same for the other one as well and just restart your computer and it should work. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.